How to do text-based editing in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. To get started, you're going to need a transcript of your audio clip. To get this transcript, come up to the text tab. If you don't see this, come into Window, then come down to Text. So within this text tab, you need to be in the transcript section and then choose Transcribe. Give Premiere Pro a moment to transcribe your audio. Once transcribed, you'll be able to see the text version of your dialogue. You will probably have a much longer transcript than what I have here for this demo. So to enable the text-based editing, you do need to have this icon checked, which is automatically going to set in an out point on your video. Now for my video, I deliberately repeated myself in my dialogue so that I can demonstrate how you can remove certain areas of your video. So to do the text-based editing, you just simply have to click and drag over the text that you want to remove. As we can see here, this is highlighting this in blue. Now as soon as you let go, you will be able to see that Premiere has automatically put an in and out point over that particular section in the video. Now to remove this and to make a cut here, you just simply have to press your backspace key. And by doing that, it's going to remove it from the transcript up here, and it's also going to make a cut in your video and remove it here. You can continue this process throughout your entire video, reading through your transcript, making selections where you want to remove audio and then pressing delete again, speeding up cutting in your workflow. If you find that you've made an error, you can press Command or Control Z on your keyboard, and this is going to bring back that piece of the video and the text in the transcript. And that is how you do text-based editing in Premiere Pro, and that's all there is to it.